This is a little different to anything I've done before. We're in about, what, week 3 of the lockdown, and whilst, I guess it's not crazy, I just feel maybe it's time to try and do something with my hair. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared because it's one of those things, there's kind of no return, is there? If you get it wrong, that's what you're gonna look like. And I'm working, thousands of people see me every day. If I end up looking an idiot, it's gonna be a little embarrassing. So I've got my Philips beard trimmer. It's got an adjustable, going the other way, adjustable shield, whatever you call it. I have no idea about cutting hair, I really don't. I just want to, maybe, I'm gonna start off trying to neaten up a little bit around here. If it all goes really bad, it's just coming off. That's the plan. So, let's have a go. So initially I just need to try and find where is the current state. So we're at 7, nothing coming off. We're at 6, nothing coming off. I don't know if beard trimmers are different to, my barber does this down to like a 2, I think, the sides. Go down to 4.5. Okay, we're starting to get bits. Let's go to 4 then. I can't actually tell. It looks like it goes really short underneath the longer bit at the top. I can't. Drop it back to a 4 at this point. So, stopping basically and check myself. I have no idea what's going on around there. It doesn't look even over on this side. I'm not sure what. I might try the first run over the top with the 7. Not really anything. 6. Yeah, maybe getting bits now. Fixed. It's really odd because I set the clipper to a certain length. Look, that looks like it's just not clipping. This bit nice and short, and then what? All of a sudden, but you set the clipper to a certain length, so I'm on 4.5, and you run it over, and I swear it just goes, nah, I don't want to cut this bit of hair. Cut the hair to 4.5, 4.5. But yeah, I mean, I'm getting there. I'm getting there. And worst case, this is the back of my head. I've not got to look at the back of my head. And when people are looking at it and laughing at me, I won't even know. What does make it quite hard as well is obviously because I can't see it. So I have taken to every now and then, I have to take a quick picture. See, I'm getting there, I think. It's just this little bit there, I need to shorten that little bit. And then I'll be kind of presentable. I mean, it's not great. I'm not gonna do it when the actual hairdressers arrive, but I think I'll just do it myself. No. Oh my God. But I maybe, and damn it, I need to trim up a little bit at the bottom perhaps. Oh. Always put it back to the longer one when I'm stopping it. I don't want to start it on the short one. Oh wow, honestly this has been, I still don't like, that's what I mean. Why does it not cut that bit? It could be better, so I think I'd give myself like a 5 out of 10, maybe a 6 out of 10, probably 5 out of 10. And I could have gone for like a 6 or a 7. I could have tried to, I mean, it's not a great blend, is it? It doesn't fade properly. So I could have tried to go for like a 7 out of 10 maybe, but I could quite easily have turned it into a 2 or a 3 out of 10. So I decided, you know what? I think it's acceptable. I don't think it's too bad. So we'll stay at that. Let this be a warning to you all. Hopefully you've enjoyed that. Been a bit of a giggle, but at the same time, really scary, really scary. Hopefully the barbers are open again before too long, before I've got to cut it again, because I don't want to go through that again. I think what I will do is buy some proper hair clippers. So I was using like my beard trimmer. And I think that's why it just wasn't great. It was going through some of the longer bits and it just doesn't cut it. So I think I've got some proper hair cutting ones with the clip-on shields or guards or whatever. So if I'm to try it again, I would perhaps get a better result and wouldn't have this funny kind of muffin top sort of bit at the top there. Maybe I'll even get an order to tidy up again in a few days. But hopefully you've enjoyed that. Let me know if you've tried yourself or what you're doing with your hair while we're on lockdown. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Check out some of the other videos on the channel. They're not all as stupid as this. Most of the time they're like tech reviews of phones or gadgets. This is just one of my vlog videos, which is a bit about me and what I get up to, I suppose. But I hope you've enjoyed it. My name's Andy. I'll catch you all again soon.